Hello guys, we all have seen vertical garden in offices and nurseries and wondered how can we have that in our home at an affordable price and easy manner. Today I'm going to show you how I have made my vertical garden with less than $10 without any special electrical equipment or drills, and I'm going to show you how you can make easily without any equipments and special drills. So let's see what all the things we need. Okay, the first thing you need is a holder to hold your plants. So this is a plastic container. This is $1.50 from Daiso. And the key thing is it can hold 2 or 3 6-inch pots or a 4-inch pot. And the key thing here is it has a lip like this, which is very important, right? This makes that you don't need a special kind of tool or something to hold your plants. And so the lip is what will help you to hold onto the wall, right? And so how I've used this is, as you can see here, I have this picture hanger. And so you don't need it. Once you have this picture hanger, you can just go ahead and hang this container on this. And this is so easy. You don't need any specific tools or something. As you can see, this is so lightly held. I can even remove this and you can hold like this. Of course, you can make it a little more tighter, but you don't need any special equipments or tools to hold this. So once you have that, the next step is you can just insert your pots inside like this. And the next thing, you don't want plastic, you wanted to have a little premium, you want something made up of wood. You can buy this kind of wooden box from a craft store. I'll give you the links of all these things. So this, I bought a wooden box for $4, and what I've done is, again, I have fastened these kind of picture hanging holders, right? As you can see here, these kind of picture hanging holders, I have put it here, and these kind of holders. And again, the same picture hanging hooks I have inserted here, and you can do that. Once you hang your wooden container, then it's very easy, you can keep your pots here. The third kind of setup is you can buy these kind of containers from Home Depot. These are a little bit more sturdier, and these kind of plastic pots you can even paint using various wooden colored paints so that it looks much nicer. Even this wooden container you can apply stain, and so that it will look much more premium and nicer. And so this container also have this kind of a lip in which you can easily hang your plants. You can buy these kinds of boards. This is also $2-3 in which you can paint or apply stain, and you can draw or keep some fancy plant loving, green loving things. You can draw it and you can keep it handy. Finally, I've kept a white color Ottoman to keep my additional plants and a diffuser so that it looks a nice contrast of white with a darker background. So that's how I've staged here. On the other side, you can see I've used a black color table to keep my plants so that it gives a nice contrast of white versus dark color setup. Hope you find this information useful. In the next videos, I will show you how you can use your vertical walls and interior of home to add plants easily and greenify your entire home. Hope you like it. See you next time.